Today we also gonna change the wheel. This is the new one. We have to just change the rotor. So let's take off the rear wheel. The tire is still alright, so we will keep it. Alright, so let's take off the tire. Let's first take out the inner tube actually. Okay. So that's the tire off. Unfortunately I do not have the tape, so we'll have to reuse the tape on the new tire. Let's release the tape. Let's put it to the side, because we won't be needing this one. Let's put it on the new. No, we are not supposed to be doing this, but we have no other choice at the moment. Aye, we have the tape on. Let's put on the tire. Front that way. So like that. Where's the hole? Aye. One smooth in. Now this side. Need some persuasion now. Put the last bit in, and yeah, have the tire on. Now we have to just pump it up, see if we did not broke the inner tube. Aye, so we got the tire on. It's holding nicely. So now we just have to change the rotor. Alright, so let's take out the bolts. Alright, so all bolts are out now. Alright, so we can put the new rotor on. Direction is fine. Surely we can reuse the bolts that we had. Alright, so that's the last bolt. All in. I've got the new axle also. Let's use this one instead of the old one. Aye, so let's put it in. Some refreshment. Aye, all smooth. Let's put the wheel on. Let's put in the wheel. Let's hope it will go smooth. Fingers crossed as always. Everything seems to be alright. We have to adjust the caliper a little bit. Let's centerize. Yes, it's in the center now. The rotor is now in the middle. Hope you can see something. Let's spin the wheel. Aye, no noise. It's alright. And it sounds a lot better than the previous one. Aye, so everything works smooth. So see you next time. Thanks for watching. If you like what you see, then you know what to hit, the subscribe button. See you next time.